code is ready. But what happens between writing the code and getting it safely into production? That's where DevOps comes in. Hello techies, I'm Syed Ejaz and welcome to CloudRevol DevOps Lab, where we simplify DevOps, cloud, automation, and infrastructure. At CloudRevol, we work with cloud infrastructure, DevOps, automation, security, and managed technology solutions to help businesses run smarter and more reliably. Traditionally, development and operations could work in separate worlds. Developers built the application, while operations handled deployment and infrastructure. That separation can create delays, communication gaps, deployment issues, and the famous question, "It works on my machine, so what happened in production?" DevOps brings development and operations together through collaboration, automation, continuous delivery, monitoring, and better processes. And here's something important. DevOps is not just a tool, a platform, or a job title. It's a culture and engineering approach. The goal is simple: build faster, test continuously, deploy safely, automate repetitive work, monitor systems, and improve continuously. When these practices work together, teams can release software faster, reduce manual errors, improve reliability, and respond to problems more effectively. At CloudRevol, DevOps is about more than deployment. We focus on infrastructure, automation, security, monitoring, scalability, and reliable operations. So, if you're a developer, system administrator, DevOps engineer, cloud enthusiast, or simply starting your DevOps journey, this series is for you. Have a DevOps question or topic you want us to cover? Follow CloudRevol DevOps Lab, learn and build together. See you in episode 02.